Bullish Dogelon Mars cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market experts accept ELON could reach $0 2025. Bearish Dogelon Mars market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Dogelon Mars presentation. Dogelon Mars is one of a few Doge-themed crypto tokens accessible last year in 2021. The crypto's makers depict it as a fair widespread cache for individuals and an interplanetary money utilized by space colonizers. Dogelon Mars isn't just a digital money, yet additionally a person in a comic series that is accessible for buy as non-fungible tokens. Unexpectedly, you can get them with Ethereum, despite the fact that this digital currency has a huge and energetic local area. There are various motivations to be careful about it. This digital money guide will uncover all that you really want to be aware of Dogelon Mars and its highlights. By the by, our essential spotlight will stay on the Dogelon Mars cost expectation from 2022 to 2030. What is Dogelon Mars? Dogelon is a blockchain-based biological system used to create and uphold space projects. It is utilized for trading merchandise, making installments, and compensating supporters. Dogelon Mars was sent off on April 23, 2021. Be that as it may, there's no data accessible about the Symbolics maker. It likewise comes up short on white paper illustrating its main goal and targets. Buterin gave roughly 43% of the ELON tokens to the Methuselah establishment, a cause committed to expanding human lifespan. In May 2021, the establishment swore not to offer any of those tokens to propel ELON's drawn-out incentive for basically a year. Tokenomics of Dogelon Mars environment. Dogelon Mars digital currency is known as ELON, and it is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain that was sent off in April 2021. It's called ELON, and it's named after Elon Musk. He is an ally and financial backer in Dogecoin. It has great tokenomics, and Dogelon Mars is recorded on major decentralized trades with numerous symbolic matches. Poloniex offers the ELON USDT market pair. In such trades, a record can be opened utilizing a name or an email address. The Dogelon Mars cryptographic money has circulated around the web via virtual entertainment and acquired media consideration. Individuals have started putting resources into the token. In October, the cost of Dogelon Mars ELON expanded in excess of multiple times and gave a gigantic return. The organization then rose to the 150th situation with regards to showcase capitalization. There was no token per sale in light of the fact that it is a fair widespread digital money. Subsequent to sending half of the coins to Vitalik Buterin, the leftover portion of the tokens are secured the Uniswap liquidity pool as ELON and ETH matches, which will remain for eternity. They additionally put 40 ETH in the liquidity pool, worth around $100,000 at that point. Dogelon Blemishes Group then consumed the liquidity supplier tokens they got, keeping them from pulling out or gathering any of Uniswap's liquidity rewards, which will just build over the long haul. The Dogelon Mars Group exhibited that they wouldn't commit a mat draw, a crypto trick in which designers siphon up the worth of their virtual money, pull back however much they can, and dump the task by consuming the liquidity supplier token. The Dogelon Mars organizers cannot do so in light of the fact that they consumed the tokens they got for keeping assets into the task. Maybe that is the motivation behind why Dogelon Mars presents itself as a venture pointed toward fixing the harm done by digital currency tricksters. Trick casualties are asked to give ELON tokens to the Dogelon Mars people group. Dogelon Mars coin outline. The makers of this specific canine coin are obscure, similar to the makers of its more noticeable and laid-out cousin. That is a genuinely normal event for image coins. And financial backers definitely should practice alert while managing obscure coins to try not to succumb to noxious practices, for example, floor covering pulls and leave tricks. ELON has been available for a long time, making the possibilities of the coin being a trick generally low. On the off chance that you're pondering where to purchase Dogelon Mars, the top cryptographic money trades for exchanging Dogelon Mars stock right presently are OKX, MEXC, CoinTiger, KuCoin, and DigiFinex. Dogelon Mars current cost. Dogelon Mars is as of now worth $0. ELON has moved 1.53% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,379,006. Dogelon Mars is as of now positioned 158 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $139,748,473 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Dogelon Mars to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Dogelon Mars value expectations. Is it true or not that you are searching for Dogelon Mars cost expectation for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030 and need to grasp where the Dogelon Mars costs can go from here on out? We'll take a gander at Dogelon Mars past costs. and see what specialized examination recommends about the Dogelon Mars Cost Gauge. The Dogelon Mars Value Expectation is exclusively founded on specialized examination, and I will utilize a progression of specialized markers like moving midpoints, trend lines, Fibonacci retracement, RSI, and MACD to decide the Dogelon Mars Cost Forecast. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Dogelon Mars market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2022. Dogelon Mars, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ELON cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. ELON is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Dogelon Mars ELON cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ELON will before long outperform $0. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the ELON's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ELON will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. ELON might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ELON is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Dogelon Mars effectively helps market feeling among digital money devotees, the ELON coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ELON will be green in 2025. The ELON is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ELON cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026 with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, ELON has a greatest value worth of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. In the event that ELON figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to accumulate the help ELON needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2028. While ELON is endeavoring towards and